Yun. Mahamog oh. Mahamog. Sabi nila masarap daw tumakbo pag ganito mahamog. Subukan natin, maglo long run tayo ngayon. Try natin mag 1:45 long run. Sabayan natin pacing. Long run lang. Time. Okay, let's go, go, go. So yun. Ano na tayo? 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers. So, ang time natin na tumatakbo is 13:21, 13 minutes, 21 seconds. So, ang base talaga natin yung time ng endurance. Okay, ang daming mga bata naglalaro. Kilometers, 2 miles, time 25:40. So ang pacing natin 6:05 per kilo. Medyo bumibilis. Okay, that's it. One foggy morning.
4.8 kilometers.
3 miles, time 30:47. And pacing natin 5:55 minutes per kilometer. Okay, thank you.
8 kilometers.
5 miles, time natin 51:41. Pacing natin 6:05. So yun lang.
9.6 kilometers.
6 miles. Okay. And then time natin 1:04. Pacing natin 5:40. Okay.
11.2 kilometers.
7 miles, time 1 hour 10 minutes. And then pacing natin 5:50. Yun lang.
12.8
Kilometers, 8 miles, time 1 hour 19 minutes. Pacing 6 minutes. Okay, that's it.
Hydrate muna tayo. Ang target natin 2 hours eh. So ang time natin 1 hour 20 minutes. Kailangan pa natin ng 40 minutes na takbo. Yun yung endurance run. Okay, yun yung training natin ngayon. Thank you, thank you. $14.2. So
Kulang 9 miles. Ang time natin 1 hour 20 minutes. Pacing natin 5:30. Heart rate 132. Very good. Thank you, thank you.
15.81 kilometers.
More or less 10 miles. Time 1 hour 37 minutes. Pacing 6:05. That's it. Sumisikat na yung araw. Sarap na tumakbo.
17.4 kilometers.
11 miles. Kulang-kulang, more or less. Time 1 hour 46. Pacing 6:05. That's it. Endurance run. 19 kilometers. Less than 12 miles. So time natin is 1 hour 1 hour 55 minutes. And then pacing natin 5:35. Magbibigay-bisan tayo. So 5 minutes na lang. Tigil na tayo para maging 2 hours. Endurance run natin. Okay. 2 hours 19.75 kilometers. So kulang-kulang 13 miles. Okay. Okay na yan. Good morning.